So this is what it looks like out front. Doodle, come back this way, pup. There's no way to get out of that. Come here. This is very Hurricane Wilma-ish. I can't remember which hurricane names those were. So either the storm drains are plugged or maybe just filled. Wow. And that house right there, the water goes way up. We snuck around the bushes, but I lost that footage. So, looks like that's the end of our walk. Not really itching to drive through that either. That looks like it's about 16, 18 inches deep there, judging by the mailboxes. Good times.